Prime Minister Modi addresses inaugural session of G20 Ministerial Meeting of Women's Empowerment, says women-led development approach is most effective way of women's empowerment. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman to chair GST Council meeting today. Centre says various preventive measures being taken to deal with cyber crimes that particularly affect children. A record number of over 6 crore 77 lakh income tax returns filed for financial year 2023-2024. In cricket, India beat West Indies by 200 runs in third ODI to win 3-match series 2-1.